to video 2, where we will overview the cognitive models. The research shows that the average elementary writing assignment is 12 to 14 minutes with little direct instruction. It is isolated and not connected directly to what students have learned. In the Lasso research findings, the written product should be tightly connected to what students have been learning over an extended period of time. 50% of the writing should be planning, and 50% of writing should be drafting, revising, and editing. The latest National Assessment of Educational Progress results shows that 75% of 8th and 12th graders were writing below grade level, and only 3% of 8th and 12th graders were writing at an advanced level. So the question remains, how do we improve writing instruction using sound research?
We will review the 3 cognitive models examined by MacArthur, Graham, and Fitzgerald that provide a reading-writing framework for us. All of the models, the shared cognitive model, the sociocognitive model, and the combined use model, reflect that reading and writing are developmental in nature, depending on the grade level. Before we continue, though, we would like to bring your attention to the pen and paper icon in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. As explained in video number 1, this icon will signal that we have planned writing opportunities for you to complete. It also signals our suggestion to pause and take notes on the given slide.
First, we will dig deeper into the shared cognitive model. It shows that the reader relies on content knowledge as a foundation for writing, prior knowledge as an important influence on reading comprehension, and is needed to infer, organize, and remember information. Meta-knowledge focuses on what the reader needs to understand in regard to the purposes of reading and writing, how readers and writers interact, and how they monitor their own meaning-making. The reader's ability to access, use, and generate information during reading and writing is also important. For example, using strategies like prediction, questioning, and summarizing. The last component focuses on the ability of the reader to form words, turn words into sentences, paying attention to grammar and punctuation, and then finally, an understanding of how text is organized. Please pause the recording here. In your note catcher, record your questions, thoughts, or new learnings.
The next model we will dig into is a sociocognitive model. This model is also developmental in nature. It is a transactional space between readers and writers. The reader has an understanding of the reciprocal relationship between reading and writing. It is between the reader and the author, and also the extent to which writers think about their readers. Metaphorically, it's seen as kind of a conversation that includes the idea of conveying information, of relaying information successfully to an audience, being able to anticipate the needs of the reader, and an awareness of their conversation partner and their purposes. It's being aware of what readers might already know, and what they will need to know to understand the information. Please pause the recording here. In your note catcher, record your questions, thoughts, or new learnings.
Lastly, we will dig deeper into the combined use model, which treats reading and writing as separate processes that can be combined to accomplish a goal or solve a problem. Reading and writing are interactive tools that can be used to produce high-quality text. Writers, when trying to create high-quality text, must alternate between reading and writing to accomplish the goal effectively. Metaphorically, reading and writing are tools, like the carpenter might use a hammer and a saw alternately when building something. A result is that reading and writing can be used together to facilitate student learning of content and as a study skill strategy. Research has shown this is a powerful impact on content learning, and more learning may accrue if these behaviors are joined together. Pause here and record your questions, thoughts, or new learnings in your note catcher.